Today, I'm going to show you how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome, a simple tweak that can actually make your files download faster and more efficiently. If you're tired of waiting around for big downloads to finish, or just want to see what Chrome is really capable of, you'll want to stick with me. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to unlock this hidden feature, and you'll understand why it works. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Now, you might be watching this on another device, or maybe you already have Chrome open. Either way, just make sure you're using Google Chrome for these steps, because this tweak isn't going to apply to other browsers. Next, look at the top of your Chrome window for the address bar. That's where you usually type in websites like google.com or youtube.com. Instead of a normal URL, you're going to type in something a bit different. Chrome/flags. Once you've typed that in, just hit enter. Don't be surprised if the page looks a little different from what you're used to. This is Chrome's experimental features menu, and it's like a backstage pass to all sorts of advanced settings. It might feel a bit technical, but don't worry. We're only tweaking a single, safe setting here. Now, to find the exact option we need, look for the search bar at the top of the flags page. Click in there and type parallel downloading. Make sure to spell it out fully so Chrome can pull up just the right feature. What is parallel downloading? Well, let me give you a quick explanation. Normally when you download a file, Chrome grabs it as one big chunk. With parallel downloading enabled, Chrome splits the file into smaller pieces and downloads several parts at the same time. It's kind of like having 10 people help you move boxes instead of just one person. The job gets done much faster. Once you've searched, you'll see an option called Parallel Downloading appear below. Over to the right, there's a little drop-down menu. Right now, it probably says Default. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu, select Enabled. This tells Chrome to turn this feature on, even though it's not enabled by default. You're almost done. After you enable the feature, look toward the bottom of your screen. Chrome will give you a button that says Relaunch. It's important to click this. When you relaunch, Chrome will close out all your open tabs and launch itself fresh with the new settings applied. If you have any unsaved work or open forms in your tabs, now is a good time to save those before you proceed. Don't worry, all your tabs will be restored when Chrome relaunches. It might just take a second to load everything back up. And that's it. Now, with parallel downloading enabled, Chrome will strategically break up large download files in the background, making downloads noticeably quicker, especially on fast internet connections or with larger files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help or clarify a step. And remember to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.